I'm Lyle Delisle. Tonight, on Rock Court, infamous rock groupie Cindy Sinner Jones is accused of getting knocked up by a member of the Purple-Headed Warriors, a very cheesy rock band.
All rise. Young lady, do you swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you Alice Cooper, before he was a golf-playing Republican?
So I see the case before me involves a lovely young woman getting herself knocked up by a member of Purple-Headed Warrior. What are you doing? What, does she want one? Anyway, Purple-Headed Warrior? That is a really cheesy fucking band. 2 E's and a W.
Ew.
Don't you think you could have done a little better?
But, Your Honor, I was high.
Obviously you were high. I hope for your sake that you were fucking high. Purple-Headed Warrior? Oh my. All right. Don't worry. We'll get this all sorted out, okay? We have to first ascertain who the baby daddy is, okay? So let's figure this out. Was it the singer? No. Good thing your baby would have been born in those fucking dreadlocks. How about the bass player? Oh, it must be the guitar player. A Doc and reject. No? Don't mean to tell me. Bailiff Electra, could it be true? Could it have been the drummer? Not the drummer.
But just look at him, he's so cute. He rocked me like a hurricane. Even the baby's heartbeat is playing Rock Me Like a Hurricane. I'm gonna name the baby Little Rock Hurricane.
Rock me like a hurricane? Rock hurricane? The fucking Scorps? Can we try her for that? Thumbs up or thumbs down? Ah, unanimous thumbs down. That means guilty. But you know, this is America. This is not a fucking democracy. I overrule our audience. Young woman, you are guilty of exercising some of the worst taste that I have ever seen, and I have seen some bad motherfucking taste in my years. But then again, since your punishment is going to be raising this ungodly, the potential blows my mind, but this mullet-headed child, we're going to let you go. We're going to find you innocent. And as a matter of fact, to help you through these trials and tribulations, I'm actually going to give you a lifetime Rock Court prescription to this vial of drugs. You can keep it full. Things that begin with D, things that begin with P. You know what I mean? And when that baby gets to you, a bottle of Motrin to help you with those headaches.
Cindy, now that Goliath has knocked you up, it's obvious your standards have come to new lows. You ever think about upgrading to a deluxe model?
No. No, I haven't.
I'll take that as a yes. What are you ladies doing later on? I got some free passes to see Styx at the Concord Pavilion. I can come pick you up in the IROC.
This episode of Rock Court is brought to you by Spotted Dick Sponge Pudding. Those Brits will fucking eat anything, eh? What you do with this stuff is you put the entire can in a pan of boiling water for 35 minutes, and when it's finished, you open both ends, cover with cloth according to the directions to prevent the spotted dick from spurting. And enjoy, enjoy, enjoy.